Welcome, Momentum Scholar. I am Professor Adebayo. Our goal today is to master syllabus topic 1C and D, relating fundamental physical quantities to their units. JAMB examiners often hide a single fundamental quantity inside a long list of complex derived ones. Identifying that lone ingredient is often the key to the entire question. The most common trap involves the relationship between mass and weight. While everyday conversation treats them as interchangeable, physics defines one as a raw material and the other as a product of gravity. To understand the difference, look at the materials used to build a house. Cement, sand, and water are the base ingredients. You cannot break them down into simpler construction components. When you combine and mold them, you create a concrete block. The block is a derived object. It only exists because the fundamental materials were mixed in a specific way. Physics uses the same logic. The core ingredients of the universe are mass, measured in kilograms, length in meters, and time in seconds. These are your fundamental quantities. Every other concept in your textbook is a block molded from these basics. For example, dividing length by time gives you the derived unit for velocity. Rather than memorizing every unit in the syllabus, you can use a consistent logical sequence to deduce them. Take area. You find it by multiplying one length by another. Meter times meter results in square meters. For speed, you divide length by time. This yields the unit meters per second. Acceleration follows the same path. It is speed divided by time again, which results in meters per second squared. Momentum Scholar, apply this logic yourself. Pause the video and determine the derived unit for volume. Since volume measures 3 dimensions, you multiply 3 lengths together. Meter times meter times meter gives you cubic meters. This works for complex concepts like force. Force is mass multiplied by acceleration. In fundamental terms, that is the kilogram multiplied by meters per second squared. Scientists use the name Newton as a label for this specific combination of fundamental units. It is a shorthand name for a complex block. Let's apply this directly to a professional field challenge from the 2021 UTME. Question 3 asks you to identify which of these 4 quantities are derived: area, thrust, pressure, and mass. You do not need to recall the definitions for thrust or pressure to solve this. Focus on the list itself. Look at item 4. Mass is one of the 7 fundamental building blocks we identified earlier. It is not derived. Because mass is fundamental, any option that contains Roman numeral 4 is incorrect. Removing those choices leaves only option B. Mastery of these 7 fundamental ingredients allows you to deconstruct any complex unit the examiner presents. To lock in this knowledge, Momentum Scholar, go to the Anchor Learn Studio and launch the Topic 1C and D slide, flashcard, and quiz.